Good morning. Check it out. First day, Whitney Mesa BMX is open this year to the public besides for my clinic, so we're gonna ride it, and I got my new bike. We just got done working on the track. I'm a little muddy, but we'll start out with some bottle flips. First try! Oh!
Wrapped it.
You don't know now.
There you go, Bryce. Dylan, what color smiley face do you like?
So I built my GT. It's my new bike. Haven't ridden it yet. Let's see how it goes. I don't have my number plate yet, but remember YouTube 15 for 15% off your custom number plate. I do have a new neck brace sticker, so I'm gonna peel these off and put the new one on.
Coach Bryce.
What's up, dude?
A little band junior.
Nice to meet you. What's up, dude? This is your first time at the track?
Oh yeah.
Oh, cool. Well, once I get my gear on, let me know. We'll do a lap together for your first time, okay? Well, I'll kind of coach you through it. Even have new shoes. I'm gonna put my new kit on. This is Tristan. How long you been riding, Tristan?
About 3 days now.
3 days? Came to my clinic for the first time? You have fun?
Oh yeah.
What's your favorite part about BMX?
Honestly, just like going over all the things, like going over the doubles and stuff. Just riding around the track. It's fun.
It's fun. You go fast?
Yeah, as fast as I can.
You get better every day. This is Louis. He built my bike. Is it gonna hold up?
Maybe.
Maybe. I rechecked all the parts besides the crank, so I don't have the tool for that, so so I think I should be fine, but we'll see. I feel fresh. Yeah. Like a pillow, Louis. This thing's like a pillow. Ow, my earrings though. Why do I wear earrings? Sounds like a mountain biker. Now when I ride away and pretend like I'm going to the track, and then I turn back around and cut it.
Huh?
That's what you do in vlogs. You video yourself riding away, and then you go back. Or you get to a place, you set the camera down, you go back, and then you re-enter. You caught it though. Shoe felt a little loose. I took it off. It's in here. What do I do? I'm serious, like, how do you get that off? I've never seen that happen. My shoe? I took it out and it fell out in there.
Are those new shoes?
Yeah.
Oh man, I loosened up then, huh?
Yeah, I did one lap. When I checked all my bolts, I should have checked my shoe.
I was just telling them I did. Felt really good.
There it is.
No stutter in the pedals.
Yeah. Was
So I charge this to Dale Holmes Racing?
Yeah. So I'm in that cabin. Let's see if this works. This is what Connor does.
We're about to find out.
You really nervous.
We're about to find out, fans. I'm nervous for all these riders.
Here we go.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders ready, watch the gate. Start. Riders ready, watch the gate.
You ready? But don't forget your brakes, okay? You're gonna maybe want to pull your brakes a little bit out of this because you'll be going fast downhill. Let's go on 3, okay? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Yeah. Solid session once I figured out how to tighten my cleat. I like my bike. It's a little different. The back end's shorter, so it took me a while to get used to it, but I'll get used to it before my next race in Tulsa. Does a track session really count without going to Chipotle? So we all got free chips and guac because we played Potato Crusher. Put the link in the description for free chips and guac. So it's Chinese New Year and I'm going to something on the strip. I don't really know, I have nothing to do tonight, so. If you ever need free, easy parking near the strip, just go to the High Roller at the Linq. There's always parking. You don't have to go on Las Vegas Boulevard. It's my favorite spot to park.
Welcome to the Caesars Chinese New Year celebration.
Well, I mainly went there to see the dancing dragon things, and they weren't there, which that was kind of a bummer, but pretty cool. I'm gonna check out the Bellagio Conservatory. had a nice day. I like my new bike. Still need to get a little bit more used to it. Kind of struggling out of the gate and stuff. But happy Chinese New Year. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Yeah.